You need help because you are all dry. You need life inside you. I don't entertain dry ladies like you, but because of the way you spoke to me, I decided to stretch forth my to teach you the way, introduce you to happening guys that will furnish you and turn your situation around. Won't you like that? I like that.
You find who you dey go for? I don't grab this guy. Hey, pass on water grab. Hey, chief, the father chief. I tremble. I bow.
Madam Magic. Only Madam Magic in the whole of this place. There is no other great madam than Madam Magic. As far as this community is concerned.
Chief, if I say it again and again, please let's go and sit down.
Chief,
your presence makes the temple.
Madam Magic, I hope your food is ready.
Unfortunately, not yet. But in the next 5-10 minutes, it will be ready. There are meat.
Okay. As long as it is Madam Magic, I am going to wait.
I know you will win. Yeah. Because I don't have to duplicate. Authentic. It is only me, Madam Magic. I perform magic. I may me face Galaro or Dimfe. You can save it again.
Please, give these people drink. Give them drink.
Come on, join us on the table. I mean, put on my girls, look, go and give them. Where's the head girl? Stop them, call your girls. Give everybody whatever they want, double bottles. My chief is here. Chief, this is a new market. I'm new. As in new.
She's beautiful.
I want to refurbish her.
Real African woman. You're welcome.
This is my chief. Is it been my son? Hey, is it you? Hey, my son, oh God, I thank you. Hey, my son. Brother, you're welcome.
My sweet sister. Choma, you're not a big girl.
Can I be waiting for you? My son. Yes, I'm trying. Hey, my son. Yes. I miss you a lot, my son. Hey.
Oh, no, hey, mother of life.
That is me, my son. I miss you. Who's the car?
This belongs to me.
You said this car is your car.
Mama, this car belongs to me.
Hey! What about Hey! God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Oh!
Don't worry. So, Mama, tell me, what has been happening all this while I was abroad?
Then, my son, it has not been easy for your mother. I suffered a lot. But you know, as for Shoma, your sister, she is a lot.
Mama.
Mama, I don't like it too. Why will you be telling brother I eat too much? It's a lie, brother. It's a lie.
I know. But, Choma, you're free to eat whatever you want to eat in this house. Your brother is back.
Yes.
Mama, henceforth, money is not going to be a problem.
Thank you. I'm happy my son is back. I won't bother again. No worries again. Thank God.
Chioma,
Brother.
you have to prepare yourself to take a jump form because you'll be going to the university.
John! Brother, thank you! Mama, Mommy, thank you!
He's God, though. My son, thank
There is
you.
no problem.
Yes.
Your brother is back.
You are.
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be. She too like money. She too like money. Yeah.
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be. She too like
Yeah, Jude.
She too
Jude.
like material things.
Jude.
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be. Everything that jiggy. Everything.
What is the meaning of this?
Madam Magic.
Eh? Since morning you have not washed this clothes. I left this clothes for you to wash since morning. I gave you an instruction to wash these clothes since morning. You left them and went inside, relaxing. Why?
I was not relaxing. I was doing all that things inside.
Why did you just call me?
Stop!
Who told you? Haven't I warned you to stop calling me that name? Eh? I have told you that my name is Madam Magic. Repeat it!
Madam Magic.
I did not hear you. Madam Magic!
Madam Magic.
Say it next time.
Madam Magic.
Good. Make sure you watch this. Next time, if you fail to call me this name, Madam Magic, I won't go and bring the magic. Not perfect yet this magic. I perform magic. My magic. If you not draw possible or the possible. And don't let me start with you.
Madam Magic.
Now watch this clothes. I am going inside. I want to go and rest. By the time I come out and still make this clothes here, you'll see what I will do to you. Do you hear me? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, Madam Magic.
Good. Bend down. Where are you going to?
To get bucket and water.
Nonsense. Bend down and stop looking at me and start washing.
Yes,
Madam Magic.
Yes, Madam Magic.
Meanwhile, my daughter will be coming back very soon. And when she does, make sure everywhere is clean.
Small madam. Small madam, your food is ready. I will talk to you, madam.
Miss, please, I'm not going to just tell me.
Oh, what's going to happen now? This is why you're facing like this.
Hey. Missy, I'm fine. Please, can you just go?
Hey, madam. Hey. So my mommy.
No! What is it? What is wrong with you? I told you that I'm fine. Please let me do.
Madam, please now. Now food though. Now food.
Now you've made money. I think it's high time you find a wife.
Oh, come on. Wife is not my problem. My problem now, I'm thinking about making more money. Come on. When you make money, women will come. You make real good cash.
Money is good.
The women will run after you, okay?
Ben, you can never change. You are always a bad boy.
Don't worry, I'll teach you.
I better come over there, go. What is the meaning of this? What is going on?
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be. She too like money.
Where is this girl?
She too like money. Yeah.
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be. She too like money.
Where are you?
Like material things, yo.
Madam Magic.
Now so her life will be.
Where is this girl? Where are you? I don't understand your job.
Madam Magic.
What is the meaning of this?
Is that I wrote it according to the record.
This does not tally with this. This is not what you put down in this book, my friend. This does not tally with the record here. Why do you always bring an incorrect record to me every day? Why?
Mind you, I'm Precious. Let me call her. She wasn't that recorded it.
Where's Precious? Where is this stupid Precious? Where are you? What kind of nonsense thing is this? Why do you always bring an incomplete record to me? Sorry for what? We are used to doing this. There's no time you make out a list of things so to tally with the ones she also brings to me. Are you daft? Get up! Take this thing away from here, please. Don't listen and that guy go records, please. And you brought it here. You have everything to do. You just have to be sorry for yourself. Nonsense. Take this to God for every person because what you yourself. Take it. Come on. Yari, the people. Who gave back to this? Who gave back to this? I mean, I want when they see me, they see me.
Yes, mommy, you are really looking so sweet.
Oh, that's my mommy. That's my mommy.
Exactly. High school.
Mommy, school is fine. And
you're looking beautiful.
Thank you, mommy. And my journey was okay, though.
Good.
Mommy, as I speak with you, since morning I have not eaten anything.
Are you serious? When I am busy feeding other people's children and my own blood is hungry. Come, let's go. Let me go and feed you. I have a lot of things to do. That's been cool.
Amadi.
Ose wa maka mma.
Ona mazi.
Wa maka mma. All of you baby owa. Do one baby owa. You are not leaving this house today until you give me money for my children's food.
Leave my shirt. One.
I will not. You better start leaving me here today.
Mama, what is it?
You are trying me.
Could you believe it's about leaving this house again without dropping money for food?
Yeah. Papa, must we be reminding you to bring money every day? That must.
More this man. When you ask us band for years, it's now this man.
Papa, must Mama be reminding you to bring money?
When you ask us band,
must we be reminding?
Shut up!
You're already no one.
Shut up! Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are met outside, out there married, getting married, making money. You know I'm married. To make money, you know I'm married. Can't you go and look for this party business that is running everywhere now? If you don't know what to do, why not go and make the thief pants from women?
Hey!
Sir, make money. Oh, this is the business on board now. Selling pants. Yes, ladies' pants. Money there. If you cannot, why not pick your sister's own? Sell it.
Hey!
Make money. Come back. Get to repent.
Papa, what is it now?
Don't papa me.
Papa, you never walk no. How can you believe in this without keeping money for us?
Oh, you are talking.
What is it? Papa,
It is because you are here in my house. You cannot go as look at what God gave to you. Complete. No minus. Front, back. Nga buy on a catapult. Dream to Italy. You get back, make money. Prostitution. Hey. You are the one saying this.
You are a useless man.
Use what you have to get what you want.
Papa, just look at what you
give them.
Look at this man.
The word is give and take. Matter of give and take. Give and take.
Papa, you are my father. Drop money for us.
Drop money for us. Amadi, listen. So you now want her to go and be selling herself, penny half hour. Like Madam Magic.
Shut up.
You better kill me here today. If you
Papa, start money now. Give us money now.
Start planning on how to get married. And you,
just know if you in
shut up. Look at yes. This is my house. Where is your house? Where is your house?
Shameless man.
Just come, let me feed you.
What are you here? No. Come on, move my daughter's bag. I'm talking to you. Okay, get out. Leave my daughter's bag for me.
Yes. How are you coping with your school and everything?
School is fine. I think
Your father. That one. Well, he is there. I guess he's fine. But as far as I'm concerned, I am a widow. I don't have a husband. I am all alone. And I do my things alone.
Well, Mom, I'm not even bothered.
Good.
I'm only asking just to fulfill all righteousness.
Sadly, that's my daughter. Because a lion does not bear fault a goat.
Exactly.
I know you're a lion. You're a lioness. Just like your mother.
Yes, Mommy. What about Amadi, Oma, and the rest of them?
As far as I'm concerned, all of them are Old Testaments. They are all in my farm.
Wow.
What I learn, do and say. I say and they do. But wait. Those ones are old stories. Old Testament. There's the current one. The latest. The most latest. But there's the latest one. Most recent. Though he is ugly. Fat and ugly. But he got money. He has money. Good money. He delivers on daily basis.
Madam Magic.
Exactly.
The only Madam Magic in this world.
I want duplicates. I don't have duplicates.
No.
I'm the original. Mommy, so I can't wait for you to meet him. Because when he sets his eyes on you, I can turn his ugliness into something because of his money. Then we'll meet him very soon. He comes here every minute and then until I suck him dry. I'm not gonna let him go.
Wow. My mom, I can't wait to meet him.
Exactly, you meet him very soon. You told me you're hungry. Yes. Precious! These girls are making me angry.
How did you get that phone? I am asking you.
This one belongs to me.
You must reap what you sow.
Let me have it.
Who does this? You can't give this to me.
I said, let me have it! Give it to me!
This life is full of evil.
The next time I see you with this phone, I'm going to break your head and break the phone at the same time. I'm not here. Come on, get out of here! Get out!
I've been calling you for also. How you came back? You didn't even tell me. Huh? Like man, you talk about Tonanya. You talk about Tonanya. Cindy Bebe. You make it here that one name. Back you didn't call me. Huh?
Shinedi.
Kelewia.
Oh, Shinedi. So you expected me to let you know that I'm back? Okoya?
You cats, you used to call me before.
After what you did to me the last time I called you.
You're still talking about this. I told you no money. You may go there, people can't see me. Even there was this guy that sent money to me, advance. People always be telling people, so yeah, how I wish you will understand.
Whether they stole your money or not, how is that my business? Is that my business? Wait. Let me ask you. After secondary school, what did you do?
Yes, sir.
You are asking me, Ese? You are asking me, Ese? You have suddenly become an illiterate, Abi? I said, after secondary school, what did you do? Okay, wait. You don't understand English again. Oh, no, it's okay. After secondary school, you're supposed to continue with university.
Yes, now it's straight. Now Jambukwe. Thank you. Yes, now. Yes,
Abi.
Yes.
Yeah. As you can see, I'm a university babe. Cindy the university babe. I'm happy you know. So that should let you know that we are not in the same level again. Ngiwa, after secondary school, you went and be doing I don't even know if you are jobless or not. Because the way I'm seeing you are jobless. Because I don't see that capital work as a business.
Madam, make person know here.
Go and make money. Be useful to yourself now. Just shake willing hands. Better soup and money maker. Okay? So go and look for money. Go and look for money, please. Go and look for money. It is very important.
Cindy, it's me you are talking to. Cindy. Cindy, how come you na go ku? Chineke. Mana mu register agwa scam. What do you want? Anje tore ego. Ebi ya akpata ego. Cindy, mana mu o. Anje tore ego.
Today, I will have to teach you how to play snooker. And this is the best game. This is called snooker. You know, so that when I'm back to school, you know, you always use this to keep yourself company. I will learn. Don't mind my dad. You know my dad is old. I don't forget about that old man. He's old.
He's dead. I'm a widow. I don't have a husband. Simple. Something like that. Teach me how to do this so I can keep myself busy with it.
Alright, Mom. So, firstly, you have to separate the game by putting your hands this way. Just like this.
You see?
You almost
now,
crossed.
Yes. Now the game has opened widely. Yes, this is how you start off the game. And then, okay, Mom, try. Let me try. Yeah.
I saw it. Wait, I know what to do. I will that, right? I feel the ball.
Yes, madam. I've arranged it.
Okay. Well, I was taking care of the drinks and everything.
Good. Where is Madam Margie?
She's upstairs. Angela, take him to where she is.
Oh, good. She's upstairs?
Yes, sir.
Chief, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Take whatever you want to drink.
Your mom is amazing. I just one go there. Yeah. What excellent. Okay. I know how to do this. I know what they think I have to.
Chief.
What is going on here?
Chief.
Yeah.
Chief.
Let's suspend.
The only man that sits on top of money. You talk money.
You can say that again.
You say it and it flows.
You can continue to say that. No problem. Madam Margie, the only stainless woman
you can say
in the whole of this community.
You can say it. I perform magic. You look prettier today. What is the secret? Well, I look beautiful because I always roll within the space of beautiful people.
You do magic. You're a magic woman. But say there's no magic woman without magic Africa. Listen, 1 minute. Who is this beautiful, charming lady beside you?
Her name is Cindy. She is my beautiful daughter, and she just came back from school yesterday. I have been telling you about her. Oh, the money-making chief.
Sure.
Oh, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. It's good meeting you.
It's also a pleasure meeting you, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Woman, Madam Magic.
Oh, your guest will take us all. Most expensive friend. So that we can toast. I know what you need to celebrate.
I know what
Well, we are here.
Please come. Get on now.
What is the meaning of this?
Wow. So you could still come back to Nigeria after all these years.
Chef, now listen. I don't have time for the nonsense you're doing this morning. I have a very important meeting to catch up with.
You are just a small boy. Listen, the game we started long time ago is not yet over until it is over. Where is the BBC document?
Chief, I don't know what you're talking about. As a matter of fact, the game we had was long time ago. I have nothing to do with you anymore. Get this thing out of my way. Chief,
okay.
Out of my way.
Remember, I still remain the boss in this game. Have you forgotten that?
That's no problem. I'll get back to you.
You get back to me, Chief.
I will get back to you.
Chief, you get back to me.
Yeah.
Chief, there's nothing you can do. Fuck you, now.
Yeah.
Move this thing.
You can do more than a dead rat.
Okay.
You can do
Chief, you want war? You want war?
I'll see you.
Wait, don't move.
I'll see you later.
Don't move. I will run you over.
You can't do
Chief,
nothing. You can't.
Wait for Chief. Just stand there.
You are not Gara. We shall see.
Don't go. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me, Chief. Wait for me. Idiot.
Life is a mystery. No one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow.
Oh, Ben. Yes. Can I have this stuff?
Chief, I don't have it.
What do you mean by that?
I couldn't meet the target. Very sorry, Chief.
What a bastard. Come on, let me have the money. And who is this beautiful lady with you?
Oh, Chief. She's my fiancée.
Oh, your fiancée. She's beautiful.
Thank you, Chief.
What's your name?
Her name is Beauty.
Oh, Beauty. Oh, she's beautiful.
Thank you, Chief.
Please come and take a hug. It's okay. Yeah. You're welcome.
Chief.
You are beautiful.
Chief.
Yes. It's okay. Please go and make sure you meet up with them. Then come back to me in 3 hours time at Jolie's Junction.
Okay, Chief.
Be fast, eh?
Come.
Hey, no. You can leave her with me. No problem. Don't worry. I'll entertain her. She has to stay with me so that you can be fast.
Chief, I will be fast.
Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. Ben. Do as I have just said. Yeah. Okay. Take care. Be fast, eh? Very, very fast. Fast. Oh my God. Okay. Hey, Beauty. You really look like your name. You are beautiful.
Thank you, Chief.
Let's get Oh, Beauty.
Chief.
Your name is 1 million beautiful.
Chief, thank you.
What are you doing with that pauper called Ben? When people like us are still existing?
Chief.
Hello. Ben. You're here.
Chief, I'm back.
So, how did it go?
Very well, sir. Very well.
Well, that's good. Thank you very much. You've done a lot. This is a check of 100,000 naira. Just for a job well done.
Chief, no, Chief.
It's okay.
This was not our initial agreement.
For a start, at least, hold this as work goes on, and more payment will come. And Beauty, you are a wonderful couple. This is a check of 500,000 naira just for you.
Chief, this thing is not fair now.
Chief, I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
Say, I can do anything.
Oh my goodness. Chief, I'm in love.
Stop. You're in love with who? Chief,
please, can you get down from my car? Thank you very much for coming. Get down from my car. I said get down. What is this?
Chief.
Ben, get down from my car. You heard me right.
Chief.
What nonsense.
This thing is not fair. This thing is not fair.
What is not fair? Please, can you leave my vicinity?
Chief, I'm so happy.
It's okay.
I love you. I love you.
My baby.
Stop that. Chief, let me tell you, this thing you're doing is not good. God is watching you, Chief.
Oh, God is not watching you. He is blind over all your manipulations. You think I don't know them? He is blind. He's only watching me. He's not watching you. Okay, no problem.
Calm down.
Chief.
I said calm down, Beauty. Yeah, calm down.
Go and carry your own kettle. Aboki get your own kettle. Go yourself.
Have
you heard
her? Go and carry your own kettle. Every other Aboki is carrying his.
Chief, is this kettle that will kill you? Chief, I promise you, it's this kettle that will kill you.
I'm in love.
Let's go.
It's this kettle that will kill you. Chief, I promise you, it's this kettle that will kill you.
A mystery, no one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow. Life is a mystery, no one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow.
Thank you, Mr. Bear. Why have you not been picking my calls?
Chief, my phone was on silent.
And after missing my calls, you couldn't call me back. Anyway, by the way, I have a job for you. A good job for that matter. That is going to give you real good money. Have this. Every information about the person is inside here. Go do a good job. All I want is getting me the BBC documents and collect your big dough. It's okay. Good. Real good.
What is it? Ben, I'm talking. What is the problem?
Nothing, I'm fine.
I'm your mother. I know you very well. What has been going on? If there is anything bothering you, disclose this to me. I'm your mother.
Mama, I'm fine. Don't worry yourself, okay? I am fine, Mama.
Are you sure?
Mama, I'm fine. Just go inside and continue what you're doing.
Okay. I hope so. If you see this, there's nothing. Well, but be sure that there's nothing bothering you. I'm very much worried.
Mama, don't be. Oh?
Okay, my son.
Go inside, oh?
Okay, my son.
It's a mystery, no one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow. Life
Cindy.
Yes, Mom.
I'm thinking of buying. Wow. I've saved enough money from this and from the money I get from my, my panty.
Mom, you need a car,
right?
Mom, you are so beautiful. I think you need a car.
Yes, Mom, you need a car.
Hello.
How are you, my sons?
Fine.
Welcome.
Please, get us some drinks.
Cindy,
yes, Mom.
Go and attend to our customers. When you come back, we continue.
All right, Mom.
Oh,
we have meat, drinks, and assorted.
Well, just get us a bottle of stout and one life.
Okay, I'll be right back.
She's Madam J's daughter.
Are you serious?
Cindy, get me a bottle of water when you're coming out.
She's pretty.
Absolutely pretty. But you too like better to know. Maybe think I see all those fine girls. You Hey, Ben.
Where is my daughter, Clara?
Hey, Oga, how long waiting they do your cooking? Since that 3 days now, she don't want eat, not even water self.
You have not answered my question. Where is Clara?
She did fine.
Come give me my food.
Thank you, sir.
Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow. If
Clara, my baby.
Daddy, I'm in the bathroom.
Clara. Clara, come out.
And then I'm about to take my dog.
It's okay, I am here. Come out here. Come out. Yes. Beautiful daughter.
Daddy, please stop this.
Come on. Come on. Why are you doing this?
Daddy, can you just stop this? Why are you doing this to me?
Come on. You know I love you so much. If I don't love you, I can't be doing this with you. Please, come.
Daddy, please don't touch me. Leave me alone. What have I done to you? I'm your daughter. I'm not your sex machine. Don't touch me again, Daddy.
Stop that!
You are really messing up. I don't know what you are still doing in this village. You need to buckle up. You are fucking up. By now, you're supposed to join the big girls gang. Babe, is it your father sweeping? Mary, how is that my business? What are you doing? No wonder what, he's still your father, not a maid. Hey. Mary, as long as I'm concerned, I don't have a father. Yes, I don't have a father. As long as I'm concerned, I don't have a father. I'm not seeing anybody. Do I look like someone that has a father? Do I look like someone that has a father? I don't have a father as long as me I'm concerned. I don't have a father. Mary, please. I'm not in the mood of all this father, no father. I don't even have that strength. Are you escorting me to my mommy's shop or not?
I will escort you. But why are you denying your father? He's the one that gave birth to you. No matter what, he's still your father, my dear.
What is wrong with you? Mary, if not that you are my friend, I would have given you a hot slap. What is wrong with you? I said I don't have a father. I don't have a father. So how else do you want me to explain it to you? I don't have a father. Are you escorting me to my mommy's shop or not? If you're not escorting me, just get out.
It's okay, let's go.
This is what you will say since let's go. And you're here saying nonsense. Father. Which father? You don't look like somebody that have a father. You know I don't like it.
His name is Ben. You know him?
Of course I do.
The BBC document is in his possession. I want you to confiscate it. If it proves stubborn, you know what to do.
Of course sir.
Now, I made myself clear. Yes, sir. When you get there, you stay in the car while Jack leads the operation. Am I honest?
Yes, sir.
This life is full of
Yali. Amalicham. Oyoyo. Apu.
Oh, precious.
Sample. My daughter, there's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
You know Chief now? Chief. That's my customer now.
Oh! What about him?
Chief is asking for your hand in marriage.
What? Mama, is he out of his senses?
Why are you standing like this? Hey. You're why are you saying is he out of his senses? Why are you standing like that? Let me tell you. Chief is a wealthy man, and you know that. He is very rich. He has money. And the most important of it all, he will soon die. And you are going to inherit every single property of his. All of them. All of them.
Oh, really? Yes. Mama, so what about my own happiness? Oh, it does not matter to you.
No, it matters. Your happiness is in that. This is the reason I am doing what I'm doing. That is the reason I am planning and plotting all this. Because I have your interest at heart. Check your This love you always preach is nonsense. Love without money. Marriage without money is like a fish living without water. It's simply a living hell. Take your mother. for instance.
Madam Magic.
Am I not living in hell? My marriage to that wretch, am I not living in hell? No, answer me. Oh, thank God. So marry Chief and end our poverty. We will convert all this property and make ours. Yeah. Lemon.
Small madam, see, Oga warn me, say man no allow you cross this gate. Small madam, no Oga instruction be that.
Ojuma. See, now you know we are friends. Okay, see what will happen. Why come back? I'll do something.
Small madam, unless you want kill me before you come off for here. For me, I know they open this gate.
Ojuma, are you mad or something? My friend, who open this gate?
I know if you try that.
This man.
No Oga instruction. No. I know they open, madam. I know they open.
Open this gate.
I know they open. Madam, I know they open. No. I know. Madam, I know if you open. Allow me. I know if you open. Madam. There. Come. So now because of this small money, you don't walk out on my house this early morning to disturb me. Now 1,000 they cost more money. Spanner no be small money. 1,000 no be small money. Okay, go inside, go pay my money, they go. See, I go bring her for your shop here. My Oga dey around and I know when make her come on. Don't worry, I go bring. Now 5 minutes why they give you now. A minute no be 5 minutes. A minute why they give you. No, you go inside. Go bring my money. They go. Spanner, I go bring her. For we are here. I go bring her. Now me the day I go just go my brother. You go bring her for shop. See, I go bring her. You go. You want push me? Come on for this.
Hey, the only Madam Magic. The only and one and the only Madam Magic.
It's me.
I will not.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is what I want.
You know what you're going to do? If we get home, don't allow anybody to see you. Go into your bedroom, open it, then fill it with urine.
Okay.
When you fill it up with urine, cover it, hide it anywhere that nobody will see it, even behind the chair, the bed. Once this thing is within your household, whatever you say, he will be doing.
Thank you.
Exactly what I want, to control everything he has.
Thank you.
My dear.
Thank you. Thank you.
You'll have no problem. This is Nyama for my dear. Go! Go. It shall be well with you. Hey! Madam Magic! Hey! Up one!
Hold on. Every time you go to sleep for duty post, I go make sure say Foga come, I go tell him.
Where's she there? You see her? Where's she there? You see her?
Who?
Wait.
What are you talking about?
That's small madam, you see her? She don't go.
Hey! I think that the instruction Oga gave to you is really affecting you mentally. As for Clara, she should be in her room.
Hey! Thank God. Thank God.
What do you mean by that?
You don't understand. Me, Oduma, they pity that innocent girl. You don't understand. Wetin Oga they do that innocent girl for this house? Hey. They pity him. The way Oga they treat that girl for this house. They treat her like they say no be him born her.
Hey!
You don't tire me.
What? I just can't tell you say your food in the kitchen. If you like, they sleep. I don't go my.
They go. I'm a bot. They go. Person don't see you do this. I go carry this. Cynthia.
Oh, Emmy. Hi.
Hi, where are you heading?
Well, I'm actually going to my friend's house, but it's not really something very important.
How about taking you out for lunch?
Well, that's okay, of course. Yeah, no problem.
You look so pretty. Damn. I'm hoping be my guest.
Alright. Oh wow.
So let's get this sound, let's get this sound blue.
Fine girl. Wow. Wait, I will open the door by myself in particular.
Do that shit.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Thank you.
Too much money in the building. Hop in. Let me show you how to ride. Alright? Let me show you how to ride, baby. Don't pay this sound blue. Alright? Ah!
I've been looking for you, but thank goodness I met you today. Listen, I don't have so many words. Stay away from them. They will not marry you. They cannot marry you. They needs a decent girl that will enter a home and she'll be able to handle a home. And not that nonsense you and your mother is doing. Parading herself, Madam Magic or whatever she calls herself. I don't want to know. It's very obvious that your mother has ended up turning your father into a slave. A common slave. A riffraff. Common vegetable. And that's what you want to do with my brother. It will not work. You want to use my brother and practicalize your own. It will not work. It will not work. Go away with it. Wait. Shoma or whatever they call you.
Am I the one you're talking to?
If you are double, then I'm talking to the both of you.
Hey. Shoma, you say. Shoma, you did not ask people around you about me before coming to meet me. Shoma, you are messing up now. You should have asked people around you, and you have the guts. Hey, wait. Shoma, you have the guts to stop me. Oh, you did you go for? Overfeeding is what is disturbing you now. You have the guts to stop me on the way to tell me rubbish. And that was not enough for you. You added my mother, my sweet mother, Madam Magic of all people. You added my mother into your rubbish. Shoma, you have the guts to insult me and to insult my mother. Shoma, you should come by the magic and I will be put up. See, let me tell you, the next time I will warn you. The next time I will tell you about this thing, you will not like my color. Hey. Yes, you will not. Stay away from my brother. Final.
Me? Yes, Cindy Bebe. Cindy Bebe, me. You're talking to me anyhow. Shoma, you are talking to me anyhow. Stay away from my brother. Stay away from him. Leave him alone. Leave Ben alone. Leave Ben alone. Hey! I will not warn you again. No. Shoma, everybody hear my voice. So tell her. I'll tell my brother for you. Hey! I'll tell my brother for you. You've left here. I don't have your time. My brother will not marry you. I swear. I will make sure my brother doesn't marry you. Look at me. I'll tell them. I'll tell my brother. I'll tell them for you. I promise. Shoma is not talking to me anyhow. Me. Cindy Bebe. Me. Okay. No problem. Shoma, no problem.
Mama.
My son.
Mama, don't worry. I'm going to demolish this building and fix something very nice. Yes, Mama. In addition to that, Mama, I've gotten you a new shop. Mama, that is not all, Mama. You know, I'm still trying to get you. Ben. You know, you can run. Especially from me.
Ben, who is this?
His name is Jack.
Hey, shut up. If I hear your voice...
Hey! Don't talk to my mom like that! Are you mad? Lie down!
You think you're smart, right?
Stop my head!
Where's the BBC getting?
Don't know.
You think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking, right? Give me the BBC getting. You want it now?
Don't hurt anyone, it's okay.
Now, where is it? Now, move it and get it. Now, move. Fast!
Baba, they move now.
Tonto! You are messed up. What do you think about? You have the documents. Let my family go and get this.
Is it correct?
That's it. Then what are you doing, my sister?
Shut up. Coming back for you. And get up!
It's a mystery. No one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life. Cause one day you reap what you sow. If another
Cindy, my love. Cindy, my baby. Hey, Talota. Baby, need okay. Hey! Oh!
Hey! Oh!
Hey, Talota,
Chinedu.
Eh?
Chinedu, are you?
Eh?
Oh, I see. Oh!
I said it.
Hey! Chinedu, you are sick. Oh!
Chinedu. Why? So there's no hospital in this. Oh. Chinedu, go and treat yourself and you are sick. Wait, Chinedu. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Don't you ever, don't you ever in your miserable life try this nonsense again. Have you heard me? Have you heard me?
Cynthia, what has come over you? Have you forgotten how you used to come to my shop? I will carry you on my laps. You will like Hey! I am not cut along while you're wedding.
I just hold it there, please. Have you forgotten how I am? Madam Magic. Okay, friend. Go there now. What is wrong with you? Hey, Chinedu, we are not in the same class.
Chineke,
have you heard me? You are the one causing all these things for yourself. Chineke, look at your life. Miserable. Hell. Oh, Chinedu, I keep saying this. Check me out now. Madam Magic. Check him out. Just check me out. Check me out, Chinedu, are you serious? Check me out. Do I look like your mate? No, check this place out. Okay, check good.
Hey!
You go down here. Can you take care of this?
Hey!
We're not in the same level. See, let me tell you something. Whatever we had together was in the past. So I will just advise you to move on. Just move on because we are not in the same level again.
Cindy, is it because I'm poor? Is it because I don't have money?
Yes.
Cindy, nge blow. Cindy, mana nekwa nya nge hit, nge blow.